What's up, guys? Welcome back to another summer sweeper series, or I guess this is just a regular tournament, and we are bowling 8 games on a 42-foot challenge pattern from Kegel, so it shouldn't be too hard. Being at Olathe Lanes East, it has always been a house that is either super easy or super hard for me, so hopefully for me today, it's super easy. And now let's get to bowling those 8 games. Push. Oh, sticky. That shot. Yeah. That rack. Push, 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 push. Hook, hook. Pick up. Games 1 and 2, I shot 218 and then 203. So for me, an okay start. However, the scoring pace is really high. I started off with that radioactive vibe, as you saw, and then I switched to a sneak attack solid. Both pieces in the middle to lower end part of my bag, some smoother pieces with the vibe being shiny out the box. Definitely got a little further down lane, but it did allow me to play a little straighter and use maybe a little more ball speed to keep my angles a little more closed, which is what I saw the people doing around me that were striking and having success. So I might need to change up the game plan here for games 3 and 4. Time will tell, and hopefully my change of game plan is going to work. Pick up, pick up. Why? So games 3 and then game 4, I shot 223 followed by 189. And that puts me at 33 over after 4 games, which is by no means in the cut. Scores are really high right now. I switched to that Teal Rhino Pro as you guys saw, and it did not really work out for me. I thought it being a little stronger of a cover stock, it would help me kind of blend out some of the dry on the outside, some of the oil on the inside. And it did that, but it didn't carry if I'm not in the right part of the lane to be striking. So hopefully another change of game plan. I think I'm gonna go back to that radioactive vibe. It was my best look so far. I think it makes sense. It allows me to play a little further left, not, you know, kind of separate it and get so far away from it where I miss in big fours. Game 5 and 6 coming up, and I really need to start striking because the pace is kind of getting away from me a little bit here. Please strike. And not split. That's big too.
Dude, I'm so sticky. Dude, I can't fucking slide. Can't slide.
Game 5 and 6, 236 and then 197. You saw me try and throw that Tundra Fire. I'm having a lot of approach issues. Humid outside and it was a little hot inside the bowling center. The approaches got really sticky really fast. I needed to do a better job handling that. However, me trying to throw the Tundra Fire also didn't help. I think I'm gonna try and switch it up and go to a little bigger core, I think. Yes, a quicker ball with a coup de pearl here, game 7 and 8. That it being a little quicker might actually help it pop down lane when I miss left. Because right now, a lot of my misses left have just kind of wiggled, and all of my misses in have sometimes hooked through the face. So I think maybe a weaker cover stock with a stronger core in that coup de pearl might do me good. Fingers crossed. This was Mike Wolf's suggestion, so if it works, thank you, Mike Wolf.
Pick up.
Bang! Finished out strong with a 238 and then a 265 to 1, get me cash, 2, save a little bit of bracket money. Yes, I lost money on the weekend. However, I did gain a lot of knowledge, learning again about my arsenal, about kind of the way that I might need to attack the patterns. I'm going to take a little bit of a break here, not from the videos, but I'm going to take a little bit of a break this week to take some time off before a lot of tournament bowling coming up. So I can't wait to get you guys all of that content up here on the side channel. Let me know if you guys want to see anything else in the side channel. We will be finishing the bowling ball tournament soon and giving away those 3 bowling balls. So if you aren't subscribed, make sure you're subscribed. If you haven't filled out the giveaway form, make sure you fill out the giveaway form, because you can't win any of those bowling balls if you don't do either of those 2 things, especially if you don't do both of those 2 things. So thank you guys for watching, and until the next one, let's get better together, guys. It ain't just me, it's you and me and you and me together. Getting better. Peace.